How to boot your POCO F1 into EDL mode. Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can boot your POCO F1 into EDL mode. Fair piece of warning, we are going to open our device and you are going to lose your warranty, and you are doing this at your own risk. I am not responsible if your POCO F1 sets on fire while you're doing this. Those warnings out of the way. What are the things which we need? Well, for starters, you need something to open the device, and I am going to mention the screwdrivers which I am using, and I am also using a guitar pick to remove the back of the POCO F1. Why are we doing this? We're doing this because in case you break your device and you want to get your device fixed via EDL mode, sometimes you do have to boot into EDL mode by shorting the pins. The first thing we need to do is turn off our device, and once you've turned your device off, you need to take out the SIM tray. Once the SIM tray has been removed, the next thing we need to do is we have to remove the two screws at the bottom using a screwdriver. Once we have removed the screws, the next thing we need to do is remove the plastic back on the POCO F1. I am using a guitar pick, and all you need to do is pry along the edges. Now, I do recommend that you start at the place from where the SIM tray was removed, because that is the weakest point, and once you get one of the clips off, you have to go all around the phone because the clips are throughout the device, and you do have to go through the rounded edges as well. It is going to take some time and you have to be patient about it. Now, once you have removed all the clips, do not pull the back right away. Do note that there is a ribbon cable for the fingerprint scanner which connects to the motherboard. Next up, you have to remove all the screws which are holding the black plastic part on the top part of the device. All those screws need to be removed. Once that is done, you have to very carefully pry that plastic piece of the device. Now, I do recommend that you use some kind of plastic pry tool and be very careful when you are removing this plastic part which covers the motherboard on the top of the POCO F1. Now, once that is done, you will have to remove a black tape which is on top of the screen ribbon connector and the battery connector. Next up, you have to pry off the battery connector. Again, I'm using one of my plastic tools, and bam, there it is. And beneath that is our EDL test points. So the next step is we are going to short these 2 points using a tweezer, or you can use a paper clip as well. The basic thing you need to do is short those 2 points, that is, connect them to each other using a metal piece. That's it. That's what a tweezer is, and that's what a paper clip is. Now, what is difficult over here is that what you need to do is connect one end of the type C cable to either the phone or the computer. Do not connect the other end. So in my case, I decided to connect the type C port on the POCO F1, leave the USB A port which connects to the computer disconnected. Now what you need to do is first short those two pins using a tweezer, and once you are sure that you have shorted them, and then you need to connect the USB port. So what you're trying to do here is that you need to first short the pins using the tweezer and then connect the port on the computer end while the pins are still being shorted. It does take some time and some patience and some practice, but eventually you will get it. Now, I do recommend that you have the drivers installed on your device, that is on your computer. The drivers are linked in the description of the video. And the other thing I recommend is that you keep device manager open, and the sound which comes out when a device is connected keep that also turned on, because that is the only way, or that is an easier way to detect that the device was detected. And of course you are going to see it under COM ports as a 9008 device. So again, you have to short the pins and then connect the other end to your computer. And there it is, peeps. That is how you connect your POCO F1 in EDL mode to a computer. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.